Do you like CPM?
I like the idea behind the program. I can't say that I like the execution. I like the idea of working together as a group and finding solutions, but a lot of times CPM forces you to do like unnecessary things like number tiles and math notes. But then everybody knows they're ineffective, so a lot of times in class we just don't use them anyway. So I don't see the point of having those parts.
Hi.
Do you like CPM?
I do not.
Why do you not like CPM?
Because, well, the purpose of the math class is like for a teacher to teach the children the material, right? But in CPM, you just kind of like depend on the students to teach each other. It's kind of, well, for lack of a better word, a messed up system.
So do you think we should continue using CPM as our textbook?
I mean, I'm not sure. I mean, it's doing the job, I guess, but not as well as what was happening before.
Thank you.
Hi.
Do you like CPM?
No, I don't like CPM.
Why do you not like CPM?
I don't like CPM because the purpose and the reason why we have textbooks is for children and students to learn on their own by reading the textbook without an instructor or a tutor. But from CPM, it's obviously impossible for us to like just learn or know what the author is talking about without help from teachers or instructors. So I believe that like the old method we were using, the old textbook, was a better way of learning math than CPM.
So do you think we should continue using CPM as a textbook?
No.